You're watching another episode of Kelly's Outdoor Adventures, the RV Drifters. You guys can come along and watch as we explore some of the awesome places this country has to offer. Hello, hey, this is Mike in real time. Debbie and I have been working hard to pull together all the stats for our Alaska 2024 adventure. The miles driven, the campgrounds, the night stayed in campgrounds, the night stayed boondocking, and our expenses broke down into the different categories. So our next two Kelly's Outdoor Adventures RV Drifters videos will be a little out of their normal time sequence. I am hoping to wrap up the Alaska 2024 stats video before the end of the year, i.e. that means in the next couple of weeks. So I hope you can enjoy this video. I promise we'll wrap up the Alaska series and get back into our regular video series as soon as possible.
Trucks use lower gear. Look how pretty! The farther north we get, the beautiful trees are coming out, leaves are changing more. Still pretty warm out there.
On a recent adventure heading home from Florida, we stopped at a Harvest Host in Tennessee for the night.
This is fall.
Alright, so the Harvest Host should notify their guests about an 8-foot high road. I ended up backing up about a half a mile to get turned around. We would have considered just backing down and just continue our trip up north to Ohio, but we really wanted to see this Harvest Host. It was pretty unique. Looks like Debbie was greeted by a couple of the Great Pyrenees that were here at the farm. I think that's the kind of dog they are. Very far. Okay, so we are at a Harvest Host again. You know, that's what we do. Tennessee Mountain Farm, and it's a pig farm. And they have woolly pigs, and this is the second farm that we've seen that was woolly pigs. But check these things out. That dude is a woolly pig, and they got some little babies here. Yeah. Little piggy. This old world breed of pig is indigenous to Hungary. The name, it means hog with a lot of lard. By itself, this breed isn't very attractive, but when you crossbreed it with Duroc, they make for some really good, healthy pigs. If you Google no smell pigs, you'll see there's a couple of YouTube videos about this Harvest Host. Check them out.
Increasing soil fertility is the animal systems that Master Cho developed. Mountain Farm who raises Mangalitsa and Duroc pigs. So I wanted to show you guys today his confinement operation.
Hey, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like this type of content, give us a big thumbs up. And if you want to ask us anything about this video, leave us a comment. I love reading the comments.
Mom was a little protective of her piglets.
Along with their pigs, they also had another animal that I thought was pretty unique on this farm.
Black-bellied sheep.
Black-bellied sheep are known for their unique black and brown wool and also meat production.
He raises these pigs and they're odorless, and he doesn't clean out the pen. He's got it's a pretty cool story about how you can raise, you know, maybe not mass quantities, but quite a few pigs and have no odor whatsoever. And this is pretty cool. Anyway, wouldn't have ever believed it until I stood right here and checked it out. Pretty neat. Which, by the way, here is our RV spot for the night at a Harvest Host in southern Tennessee. I'll stick in here where that what the name of the town is. Let's go fly a drone.
Fly so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Another great Harvest Host, but it is time to pull out.
Thanks for watching our videos, and as always, and until next time, cheers everybody.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have